Zupi Ludo Supreme League is a single-player online tournament where you can compete against other players to score the highest and move up the leaderboard. Learn how to play in this video and get ready to lead the league. Register for a tournament of your choice from the different options available. You can see when a tournament is starting or ending. If the tournament is live, the Play Now button will be active. Once the game starts, all the participating players are assigned yellow tokens. All players participating in the tournament get an exactly similar board with tokens in the same position. It's all about who can score the highest on the same board. Each of these tokens carry certain points equal to the number of boxes from its start point. Tap on the tokens to find out how many points you can earn by cutting them. All your tokens are in an open position, so you can roll the dice to play without having to roll a 6. You get 1 point for moving one box, and when you cut a token on the board, you get points the token carries and the number of boxes moved in that turn. You also get an additional turn. Make sure you cut as many tokens on the board as possible to score high. Every time your token reaches home, you get an additional move. You get 36 moves in a game and 15 seconds to play each move. If you run out of time, your time bank of 60 seconds will be activated, which can be used throughout the game. In case you exhaust your time bank, you will land out of the game, and the points scored till then will be considered the final score. Aim to score the highest to rank better and win bigger. All the best!